Hi everybody, it's Ant from Art Rebels Black. Today I'm tuning in with y'all because I got my Jackson guitar here. As you can see, it doesn't have a bridge or strings on it. I'm going to be showing y'all how to get this guitar ready to go. This was my first professional quality instrument I ever owned, and it was a huge pain in the butt to maintain when I was young. So I'm going to help you all along the way with all your struggles with a Floyd Rose guitar. This is a Jackson Dinky DXMG. The body is 7/8 the size of a Strat. Hey everyone, we're back here. I got the bridge for the guitar. So where the strings attached to the body. As you can see, this is a licensed Floyd Rose, and it's branded. It's the original bridge that came with the guitar. So we're gonna pop this bridge in, put the springs on, and then put the strings on. Fits in just like that. Got these two dowels going to the wood. These here anchor the bridge. Flip to the back. This will be okay for now. It's not ready to be fine-tuned yet. The springs go on. Okay. The springs are on. Okay. Those are much more true in place now. Today I'm going to be using Ernie Ball regular slinky. This video is not branded. Maybe one day. So I'm going to cut the video and cut the ball ends off of these strings, and we'll get ready to put it all together. So here we are with the next step. I got all the strings prepared. As you can see, I chopped the ends off of each. There's no use for these with the Floyd Rose setup. So I'm going to release the string lock here, and this will release the block that holds the string in place. It's a small square block.
Got the thing essentially on. No weird string buzzing, which is always good.
One final step.
I must get the camera position. Put the locking nut in place. This keeps the guitar in tune.